Hindi po matatapos ang food trip namin dito kung wala pong dessert. And alam niyo naman po si Michelle is busog na po ako. Do you want to try this?
Yes.
Let's try this.
And you should try also.
No, I think I'm so full right now. Maybe let's go. Let's eat it. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna try yung fita, tsaka yung hamas nila.
Show them.
No? Ano? Mainit-init, baby.
So hot.
Oh my God.
Even init. Init.
It tastes good.
It's freshly made.
That's right.
It's really, really hot.
So, hindi ko muna upakan yung pita nila kasi marami kami in order. Para make sure na patitikman ko lahat.
Oh, we're lucky they accommodated us. It's serving by reservation.
It's good, right?
Really good.
I'm gonna try one more. Sige, ano? Tingnan natin, masarap. Wanna try it?
This one is mixed berries with chia.
Yeah.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. How is it?
It's so good. It's really healthy because
Can I
of the
try?
chia.
Ito na yung aking mango. Mango yogurt with chia. Shake. Let's see kung masarap. Masarap siya. Ang problema sa kanya, kailangan malaki straw.
Ayan.
Try, baby. Probably because the chia seeds too.
Parang masarap. Honestly.
Ano yung mas masarap?
There's something lacking somewhere.
I think it's the chia.
Chia is not that big. Did the eyes or something?
It's good. Problema niya, mayroon siyang inumin.
Bigger stuff.
Yeah. I will suggest sa staff nila, they have to have a bigger straw. So, pangalawang banat ko na po ng salad. Sarap po yung salad. Meron pa pala po siyang sweet potato na kasama.
And then they roast the grapes.
Yeah, and you don't feel guilty. Kahit marami. Kainin mo. Baby, you want some more?
Yeah, please.
Here.
Thank you.
Maybe akala mo lang wala. Laman. Maraming laman. Again, I can eat the whole bowl ng salad kasi napakasarap. And this is the type of food na hindi ako magi-guilty.
Mm-mm.
It's so good, guys.
And do they open?
We can ask mamaya. Tigaan. From the drink, healthy.
All healthy. Probably on my next birthday with the family. I will bring them here
Yeah.
because it's Inigo's birthday next October. Oh, Nanay, in June.
Maybe on my birthday.
Hmm? Ah, why not?
Wow. That's so good. Let's try muna. Serve natin si... Okay? I'm gonna try it kung masarap. So, ito yung pinunta talaga namin dito sa Elaya. Elaya? Elaya? By Sima. Yun lang talaga nila. We're gonna really try kung masarap talaga siya. Minuto talaga siya sa oven. I will let you try. Come on, let me try. Baby.
No.
Uh, kanin.
No, I'm good.
They're good. But they were good, but you know, it's heavy too
Ayan, no?
with
Sorry.
carbs and then with yogurt.
Hmm. Yeah.
Thank
So,
you. Now let's try.
mm-hmm.
Now masasabi ko lang, syempre, as a chef,
How was it?
it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Ang problema ko is sa kanya, malasa siya,
But,
medyo ano siya,
tough?
tough.
Yeah. Mm. Ah, malasa nga, no?
Ha?
Malasa. Masarap.
Ang gusto ko lang is wala siyang lasang anggo,
Mm-hmm.
but pwede pang i-improve yung toughness. You know,
The texture.
yung, kasi tough siya eh. Dapat yung pagkagat mo, you don't have to cook it ng matagalan. I'm pretty sure in-oven nila to. But nevertheless, it's so good. Diba? Saan masasabi mo, baby?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Your honest opinion.
I really like the taste.
I love the taste.
Yeah. And then I agree with you that it's kinda tough.
Medyo natagalan sa oven.
Mm-hmm.
So, na-dry siya ng konti. Hindi naman
Hindi
na-dry,
dry.
pero yung
Not dry.
tough. I'm telling you, it's so good.
Yeah. The taste is really good. Yeah. Thank you.
Try with the garlic. Again, super hilig na namin ni Michelle sa lamb. Oh, kasi at talaga nag-introduce ng lamb sa akin si Michelle. When we went to that's her favorite lamb. When we went to Korea, we saw this tuhog-tuhog
In Myeongdong.
sa Myeongdong, yung street food doon. We saw this, nag-grill sila ng lamb. So she wanted to try it. Then of course, di ka naman lagi makakain ng lamb. So what I did is, siyempre I have to recreate it kasi paborito niya.
And you did so very well. And you recreated in US. The texture, taste.
Sarap.
We love it.
The technique is, talagang sagitan mo lang siyang lulutuin.
Yeah.
I-grill mo siya. And then tatapusin mo siya. Of course, ginaya ko yung ginagawa dun sa Myeongdong, sa Korea. Yung ginawa ko rin, syempre, binulowtorch ko siya. After ng i-grill, binulowtorch ko rin siya. Of course, you want one more, right? Baby? No?
Thank you.
It's ano, no? Maliit lang to.
Yeah.
So we're gonna finish this. I don't think it's a big deal. If you don't want it, I'll finish it. It's actually good. And don't get me wrong, masarap siya. Ang sa akin lang is, yung sa improvement, is yung toughness ng lamb.
But overall, it's really good. It's acceptable overall.
No, it is good, yeah.
Overall acceptability. It's 8. It's 8.
Okay, muna kami ha.
I'm so full.
Kahit nag-give up na yata si baby, si Michelle.
I still have my dessert. Baklava.
We still have dessert. I think this is my last piece
Guys,
of the
just one more.
of the lamb. So if you guys like this type of videos, food travel, food trip, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications at Chef Red Garcia. On FB, it's Kalye DC. On Instagram, it's Kalye DC. That's KALYE DC, DC. Again, thank you guys. Thank you for liking our videos and watching us. Peace. Baby, say peace. Ikaw na magtakip. Ikaw mo. Ikaw mo. Dito.